everybody. So I have decided that I'm tired of living payday to payday. Not even really payday to payday, but because I always run out before the next payday comes. But anyway, I'm tired of stressing over my finances. So back in, I don't know, June or July, something like that, I bought the Dave Ramsey Financial Peace University, and I looked at it, and then that was about it. So anyway, I'm just tired of it. I can't stress anymore. I'm tired of stressing. I don't want to stress anymore. I want to be able to go out and do stuff, help my family, just be able to enjoy life a little bit more without having to worry about it. Be nice to pay my bills and not have to stress, okay, which one can I pay now, which one have I got to wait on. So I'm going to try and do that. And I've got a friend that's helping me out. I'm going to call her my drill instructor. Which she's more like a senior drill instructor because she's kind of nice. I love her. She's my sweet friend. But anyway, one of the other things I'm doing, I'm facing some health issues, and so I want to try to kind of eat a little bit healthier and just make wiser choices about my life in general. And so one of the things that I did last week, which kind of goes against the whole paying my bills and not wasting money thing, but I'm kind of looking at it more as an investment because I'd like to, one of the issues I'm facing is diabetes, and if I don't get it under control, I'm going to have to go on insulin, and I don't want to do that. I really don't want to do that. I just don't like shots that much. So I'm trying to cut back on carbs, cut back on the noodles, the pastas, and all that kind of stuff. And I went on Amazon last week and I was looking, and I found a mandolin slicer. I don't know if you know what a mandolin is, but I'm going to show you here in just a minute. I've already opened it, so it's not really an unboxing. But anyway, I bought it so I can do homemade stuff with it. Like my drill instructor, Julie. She gave me this recipe for what she called dill pickle chips, and they're really good. They're just sliced cucumbers with apple cider vinegar, a little olive oil, and then if you want to sprinkle a little salt on it, you can, but they really don't need it. They actually taste really good without it. So I like doing those, but sitting there having to cut them by hand is kind of a drag, and it takes a while, so I wanted one of these so that I could do that. And when I was looking online, I found one that has also the spiral slicer, and I was like, okay. So I looked at all the different reviews and everything. The first one I looked at was like $7, but the reviews were horrible reviews for it. So I don't want to waste basically $7 on something like that. So I found this other one, and it was somewhere around 15. I think it was 15 or 16, something like that. And so I ordered it, and it came in the mail today. I've got it here. I've unboxed it already. I'm kind of excited to look through it with all y'all. But this is the box that it came in. So this is what I have. Hopefully you can see that. I don't know if it's going to be turned around backwards or not in the video, but anyway. This is what I got, and it comes with all these different blades and stuff, which I haven't really taken them all out of the box. I mean, I've taken them out of the box, but I haven't taken them out of the bag. So we're going to kind of look at this and see what it looks like together. So it came with the instruction booklet. I haven't looked through that yet, so I don't know if it's got recipes or anything in it. No, not really any recipes, just kind of directions maybe. And one of the other cool things that I liked about this, it came with a pair of gloves to kind of help you keep you from cutting your fingers, because I'm kind of bad about when I do that, like cutting fingernails or fingers or whatever, and I don't want to do that. But this is the box that the mandolin came in. And as you can see, it's got this little blade right here, and this would be just like for just straight slicing, like for the cucumber pickle chips that I like, which, by the way, it takes a lot of cucumber to make a few chips, so you really gotta like them to do them, but they're worth it, I think. So anyway, this is the slicer that I'll be using for that, and then it has these other slicers here. Let me show you the gloves. These are the gloves that came with it, and you'll see me looking over my glasses because I can't see close up with my glasses on. I have to take them off, like when I'm working and stuff. But these are the gloves, or the glove. I guess it's only one glove, but that's alright. I don't usually use both hands when I'm doing it. And it's just kind of supposed to help protect your hand when you're slicing so you don't cut your fingers. Alright, And then the other blades that it came with, let's see here. It has this one, which I'm not sure what that's for. Let's see. This is a julienne slicer. Yes, that looks like the julienne slicer. This one, it looks like it's just another straight blade, but I'm not sure. There's one on here on this that says ribbon blade here, so I'm not sure if that's what that is or not. I'll have to look at that and let y'all know what that one is. And it's got this, which I guess it goes in like that. And then it has these two, which one of these is a spiralizing julienne blade and the other is a ribbon blade. So this one I guess is the ribbon blade. It's got kind of a more straight edge to it there. And then this must be the julienne spiralizing blade, spiralizing julienne blade, which I'm kind of excited to try on zucchini because I want to try the zucchini noodles and see how those are, see if I like the flavor and the texture and that kind of stuff. So I'm kind of excited to try that one. And then, of course, the little twist little thing that you put your veggies on or whatever and scrape them across. So I guess that goes. Let's see. There it goes. Okay, so yeah, it just pops in there like that. And then you just put it on the lid like that. And then use your little thing here, put your veggies on it, and just slice it. So I'm excited. And then this is the coarse grater. I don't know what this is for, but I'm guessing it has to do. I should have probably looked at the book before I started videotaping this, but started recording it anyway. So I guess maybe that's like for, I guess the same thing as this thing is, just a little bit. I guess you could put like a little bigger veggies in it or whatever. I don't know. We'll figure it out anyway. And then here's the box, whatever that's for. I don't know. Y'all, I'm lost here. I don't even know. But we'll figure it out. But anyway, so I'm really excited to try this out. But I just wanted to share that with y'all. So my main purpose here, I want to be kind of held accountable. And so if I'm sharing my journey, oh yeah, it came with a little cleaning brush too. How cool is that? So I feel like if I'm sharing this with somebody, if somebody's holding me accountable, I'm more likely to stick with it. I'm more likely to do what I need to do if I have to share with you guys everything I do. So that's kind of my goal here, is just to keep myself on the straight and narrow as much as possible. I know I'm going to slip up. That's just the way it works. I'm going to do my best not to. I think I've done pretty good over the last 2 weeks. I sat down with Jewel Instructor Julie and we worked out a budget a couple weeks ago, about a week and a half ago now, and it worked out really well. I found that when I put the money, the cash in the envelope, we're doing the envelope system, which is, if you don't know, the envelope system is where you'll put a set amount of money in the envelope, and once that money's gone, then it's gone and you don't spend any more money on that thing. Like for groceries, I put in $100 for the 2 weeks because it's me and my soon-to-be daughter-in-law. And I put that $100 in there, and I found that I was much more purposeful with my shopping. I wasn't walking through the store and just grabbing something because it looked good and it looked like something I might want. I actually had to think about, what can I do with this if I buy it? You know, I can't, obviously, like a bag of potatoes would go further than a bag of potato chips, or, you know, and potatoes kind of high in starch and carbs, so not something I really need to put a lot of in my food right now. But it's just, it made it a lot easier to kind of not spend as much, and so I have found that I didn't struggle as much as I thought I would this first pay period. Now, I know that emergencies come up, things come up. I'm going to have my car fixed. There's a lot of things that are going on. And I really should not struggle the way that I do with my income. So my goal is just to get out of that, to get a decent home to live in, a decent car to drive, and just not put myself back in this kind of hole again. I I know why I did it, and probably someday I'll share that with you if you don't already know the story. But anyway, I just wanted to share that really cool item with you that I got. And I'm going to try to do these every week. And if you like watching them, that's great. If you don't, that's great too. I'm doing it for me, just so that I know I'm accountable. If not, if nobody watches it, that's fine. But if I know I'm putting it out there for you to watch, then I'm going to do my best to obey myself, my goals and my rules, and not get yelled at by drill instructor Julie. So anyway, thank y'all for watching, and I hope y'all have a blessed week. Thank you. Bye-bye.